Hi everyone. Alright, so today I'm very new to this. I'm gonna do an unboxing of this guy. So Red Dragon mouse, let's see here. Oh, there we go. Red Dragon Central Force. Bought it off Amazon. This mouse is going bad. The Naga Razer gaming mouse. Ugh. Expensive. Anyways. So let's get it open. Well, let's see here. 2000 DPI. It's got Teflon feet pads for smooth sliding. It's got 6 buttons. Looks like the 2 on top, the DPI adjusting button. The mouse clicks, so that's a button as well. Yeah, that's better. Then it's got 2 buttons on the side, right about here, it looks like. Then it's got 8 weights for control the sliding a little bit. And the button durability is rated at 10 million clicks. It does come with an 8-year warranty. Alright, let's get it open. Well, that wasn't too hard. Wasn't even stuck on there. There we go. Alright, let's see what's in here. Oh dear Lord. There we go. Ah, there we go. Registration for this to ensure that I get the warranty. Oh dear. Okay. See here. This looks like something I'd mail in if there were any missing parts. Key. There's instructions on a mouse. Let's see here. Left and right keys, scroll button. Resolution speed for the DPI. It's got 1000, 1600, and 2000 DPIs for the 3 gears. It does have lights on it. No lights means it's at 1000 DPI, medium. 1600 DPI, and high is 2000. This wasn't on the box, but there seems to be a weird shape there for the dragon. I don't know if it's supposed to be Dragonite, Dragon Light, or just some weird shapings. Let's get all that out of the way. That's after the fun part. So braided cord, just like, yeah, just pretty close to my Razer. There we go. Alright. Seems to have a nice build. It's got some nice grips there. get the weights open here. See if maybe I could take them out. Right there. They come out of the thing here. They do. Just a little hole there. And it just goes. So it's right back in there. All it is a piece of foam, some weights in it. Alright. Well, it's got a nice feel to it. I mean, it's not like the Razor. One thing I like about my Razor is it's got the detachable grips on it to the side. This one's got, I put the white one on, because frankly I got big hands. But yeah, it's got a nice feel to it. Well, we hook it up and see how it does. Well, that's going to get annoying. Oy. Here we go. Alright. We got lights, so set the. Alright. Minimum DPI 1000, I do believe. That's what I recall. Medium 1600. High 2000. Let's see what the response is like. Alright. Not much different than what I've got my Razor set on already. Alright. Awesome. Well then, that is the unboxing of the Red Dragon Centroforus. Anyone have any questions or comments? Just, you know what to do. Yeah.